how to share or send Google Sheet on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Google Sheets on your device and further navigate to the file that you want to share. Now, tap on the three dots beside the file that you want to share, and in the menu that appears, tap on the Send a Copy option. Further, choose a format if you want to send the file as a PDF or as an Excel file. Once selected, tap on OK, and then in the menu that appears, scroll through and select the WhatsApp option, and then go ahead and select the individual whom you want to send the file. Once selected, tap on the next option and finally tap on the send button you see there. And with this, as you can see, the file has been shared. So, this is how you can share or send Google Sheet on WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.